Hey friends, if you wish to enable Ed's PDF reader for annotating research papers, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So first of all, click on File, select Save As, click on Browse, choose a good location, and then save it as a PDF file. Okay, let it be saved as a PDF file, and then open it with Microsoft Edge. Now, see the difference when you open this document as a PDF file on Edge versus any other link on Edge. When you open a PDF, you will get a lot of options on the top which do not appear otherwise. Now, you can use it for annotating in the sense of presenting by drawing, creating markers, erasing, adding text boxes, changing the language, and also asking Copilot about questions. And this is how you can annotate using Microsoft Edge. So, was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.